This nation will smile again. This nation will know sunny days again. This nation will know joy again. And as we do, we'll remember each person we've lost, the lives they lived, the loved ones they left behind. We will get through this, I promise you.
Biden led a moment of silence for what he called a heartbreaking loss of life. It is the highest death toll of any country in the world. Many of those who died took their last breath alone. Biden said the world cannot become numb to the sorrow. As Jackson Proskow reports, families across the country are grieving.
From the moment they met until the moment they died, Manuel and Sally Montano were together. They succumbed to the virus on the same day, in the same hospital room, after spending their 50th anniversary side by side on ventilators.
It's difficult to lose one of your parents, let alone both of them. It's devastating. Nobody was ever prepared for that.
COVID has shattered lives in every corner of the U.S. Detroit bus driver Jason Hargrove, New York nurse Caius Kelly, new mom Erica Becerra, just 33 years old.
She gave birth to her son, but didn't get to hold him. Because right after she gave birth, that's when they put the tube in.
The first death in the U.S. was just over 1 year ago. Half of all deaths since then, 250,000, have occurred in just the past 3 months.
This is the equivalent of the city of Atlanta in terms of deaths, and in a year's time.
The failures began with the Trump administration, which shunned science and sowed mistrust about public health measures, all without a national plan. Yet for the first time in the pandemic, there are signs of optimism.
I don't think it's inevitable that we will have a surge, but we need to be prepared.
There's hope that new, more contagious variants may not take hold. Cases and deaths have fallen sharply, and the U.S. has already administered more vaccinations than any other nation. 63 million doses to date, at a rate nearly 5 times faster than Canada.
We should be getting more and more vaccines into arms as quickly as possible, because the more people that are vaccinated, the less damage these variants can do.
No matter how or when it all ends, hundreds of thousands of families will be forever scarred by loss, as the virus exacts a higher toll in the U.S. than in any other country on Earth. Jackson Proskow, Global News, Washington.